Okay, I'm going to talk about Saturday afternoon. Usually all our drum members go back home and go get their blankets and their offerings and their tobacco and their money that they're going to bring in. And usually they'll come back, and we try to start at 1 p.m. And our goal is to try to finish before sundown. But sometimes before that happens, we may have some ceremonies where maybe someone new is seated on the drum, or there may be a grief ceremony where a family is brought in and they do a ceremony to help them deal with their grief. And shortly after everybody seems to get together, then one of our speakers gets up and says that it's time for the singers to sing the songs that were put on that drum for the drum members. There are 21 songs that have to be sung before the sun goes down. And each one of the drum members has a song that they get up and dance for. They all represent Manidug. And also our teaching is that whenever those drums are open, those Manidug are up above that drum. It's from there they listen and watch and extend their hand to help the people. And what's important to us as drum members is that it's important for us to work together, that there not be any negativity there, or that no one with alcohol comes in. If any of that negativity, that those Manidug can just up and leave. So that's why it's important that we all work together. There has a harmony there, and there's no negativity. I have seen where, in the past, where people have lost their drums, and that's because they weren't able to get along. I know that one group of people that had a drum, they came in on a Saturday morning after they had left their drum there that Friday night. They came in that Saturday morning and the drum was gone and hasn't been back since. And that's what a lot of people were saying, is that those particular drum members didn't get along. They had a lot of infighting and weren't able to work together, and that's when that drum just up and left. So that is scary, and that's something that we work hard at, is trying to work together as good as we possibly can. Meet you.